Y'all don't see that lace. Y'all don't see that lace. Hey, y'all don't see that lace. Y'all don't see that lace. Hey. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is Denisha Latrice. I'm a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel, you can expect to see weekly vlogs, daily lives, get ready with me, a little bit of cleaning, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. They sent your girl over this cute, sassy, jazzy, little curly little unit right here. And yes, it is the perfect throw on and go type of unit. So let me tell you a little bit about this unit. This is a short, curly, minimalistic, undetectable lace wig, honey. She is one you want to grab when you don't have a lot of time, but you still want to look trendy and sassy at the same time. This unit has a pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots. It has a sufficient parting space, and it's affordable HD lace. Like, you cannot tell me that you see this lace. Like, this lace is amazing. Love Me don't come to play when it comes to their lace, honey. Okay, if y'all better know it. So y'all know Love Me comes with luxury and superior quality. Their lace is absolutely transparent, and if you choose to glue this lace down, it will be a flawless melt as well. This is a effortless look type of unit. It's gonna give you scalp, baby. Okay, it's gonna give you scalp. Like, y'all can't tell me this ain't my hair. This is a great protective style, so you do not have to worry about having your hair together all the time. Just throw this unit on and go, baby. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% virgin human hair, and it's 150% density. This unit should last you 1 year or more. It's in the color natural black, and it does have adjustable straps with an attached band for that glueless effect. It does come with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. This unit can be dyed, and the circumference of this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit does come ear to ear on my head. I can't speak for everybody else's, but on my head, this unit comes ear to ear. This unit is 6 by 4 by 1.25, and it is a left C-part wig. What that means is you have 6 inches of lace going across the front, and it goes back 4 inches. It has a 0.25 inches right here. So if you are not liking where the part is when you get it, you do have a little more room to play with, so you can bring it up or bring it down to whatever your liking is for your parting. This unit is so soft. It's so soft. It's so bouncy. The curls just pop right at you, honey. I mean, it's just popping all over the place, y'all. Now, I did get some shedding, but y'all know with curly units you're gonna get a little shedding, but this unit did get shedding when I was installing it and getting these curls to be popping like they are. But expect that with curly units anyway. But other than that, that is it. Very fabulous unit to have for you to look good as you run errands, or if you just want to lounge around the house, look fabulous by doing it in a Love Me Hair unit, okay? So if you are interested in seeing just how easy and quick it was to put this unit on, stay tuned. What's up, everyone? So let's get into this little cutie right here. Ain't she adorable? Like, honey, yes, this is so cute. So we about to get into it. About to put this beauty on right here, and let's do it.
I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been
Oh my god. Let's fix that. Okay. Y'all see the hairline on this? Yeah, okay. This unit actually feels really good. It doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel loose. And I have not put the clips on yet, and it feels amazing on my head. It's fitting ear to ear. So it fits perfect on my head. No issues right there. Now what we're going to do is we are going to clip the hair back. Get it out the way. Well, first I'm going to spray it. Spray the front just so we can get the hair out the way.
Taking time out.
All right, so this is her. This is the hairline. It says it has been pre-plucked. This lace looks really good. I am satisfied with the lace. Right now we are going to cut the lace. We're gonna wear this glueless, okay? We're gonna wear this glueless because this is gonna be an easy throw on and go type of unit. We ain't gonna be worrying about trying to glue it down. We're gonna just pop it on and go.
Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away.
Then I'm using my eyebrow eraser to cut the rest of the lace off.
Just trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soak in the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me.
Y'all see that? Do y'all see it? Y'all don't see that lace? Y'all don't see that lace? Y'all don't see that lace? Hey, y'all don't see that lace? Y'all don't see that lace? Hey. All right, y'all, so now that we cut the lace off, we are going to get into these curls, honey, because we got to make sure these curls are well defined. So let's get into it. This is a C-part unit, and you have like an inch, like almost an inch and a half of parting space. This is a little too far on this side, so I'm going to see, can I, first we're going to spray it. Let's get our handy dandy water bottle. I got this off Amazon, and we're just gonna spray it down. All right, y'all, now that we got the spray now, I'm going to part it a little more to my liking. Right now the part is right here, and I don't like it that far there. So it does have a little bit of parting space, so what I want to do is just part it more up instead of where it is now. All right, y'all, so I done parted it up a little bit more to my liking. Now I'm gonna get my Demon brush, and we're just gonna comb it out. Now that we are done brushing out the curls, we're gonna get my lovely mousse: African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. We're gonna get this right here, and we're going to mousse her down. Alright, now that we got our mousse on, we're going to next, you already know what's about to go down. We're about to put this Cantu Natural Hair Dry The Night Gel Oil on this beauty right here. So we can make sure these curls ain't going nowhere. Alright, y'all, now that we have sprayed her down with water, put mousse on her, then put some gel on her, now we're going to brush everything in together so everything can look absolutely gorgeous.
If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Ooh, I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for.
All right, y'all, everything is brushed out, but y'all know I like big hair, so this is cute. Like, she looks absolutely adorable when she is wet, but y'all know I like a little volume. I like some big hair, not too big, but just right. So we are going to diffuse these curls.
Personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always post posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.
Alright, y'all, so I done diffused it and I'm loving how much volume it has, and the curls are poppin', honey. Y'all can tell me yes that these curls ain't popping. These curls are poppin'. Like, this is a little sassy, jazzy little unit, and I am here for it, honey. A quick throw and go, like on the weekend when you're running those errands, or y'all know it's about to get hot and we don't want all the hair on our necks. This is the perfect little cutie to wear on your vacations or just anywhere to run some errands. This is like a perfect throw on and go to run some errands type of unit. Like, yes. She's a keeper for sure. So let me show you the back.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen.
Alright, y'all, so this is the cutie. She is absolutely a cute little wig to have in your wig rotation. If you want an easy throw on and go type unit, this is your unit for you. Because baby, this thing is 100% glueless, baby. Glueless, honey. Glueless. Okay. So yes, this is a great little unit to wear on the weekend if you want to run some errands or just lounge around the house. You can look absolutely wonderful. You can look absolutely fabulous in this cutie right here. It is so soft, like it's really soft. I like the poppiness of these curls. And it is a must-have in your wig rotation for those days where you just want to look cute but don't want to do all the extraness of looking cute. Just throw this on and you will look fabulous running your errands or just looking fabulous in your home. And there you have it. I would like to thank luvmehair for sponsoring this video. If you would like more details of this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there below as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.
Yeah.